Ang makakalaban natin ngayon ay si A9 Official, ito yata yung bumubuhay kay A9 Terra, panoorin natin kung kasing lakas ba talaga ito ng idol natin na si A9.
That's the worst. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst. The man who can beat me is not been born yet.
That notion here at night when you have the sound of this shit in my head. Yeah, you don't wanna know on your knees. Sacrifice your life. I'm a 44. Take your down, let you go. Life touches
Dito guys nag-restart yung ML ko dahil sa sobrang dami ng record hindi na yata kinaya, kaya na-delay talaga ako dito.
Tell them bitches, but you know the devil can't. Fucking up with them. Try to taking over all the souls of the terror of the victims of the best is the government. The fight is the death, the death,
In a world of kung fu, speed defines the world.
Nice game idol, grabe lakas mo. Sa mga gusto sumunod dito guys, wait na lang kayo, sa dami nyo hindi ko kayo mapagsasabay-sabay.